So today I'm going to tell you a fun story. It's about a boy called Shaker. And Shaker was a very nice little boy. One day his mama told him, Shaker, your auntie little far away is sick. Here, take this basket of food. Go and give it to her and come. So Shaker said, okay, mama, and he picked up the basket, put on his cap, he wore his dress and he wore his nice shoes and he started walking and going to the auntie's house. Because there was no bus or anything to the auntie's house, you had to walk. So he went walking and walking and walking and walking and finally he reached the auntie's house. And it was quite late in the afternoon when he reached auntie's house. So the auntie said, thank you so much, Shaker, little boy. Here, come inside. I'll give you some lemonade and some snacks to eat. So Shaker went inside the house and sat down. Then the auntie came with what did she bring? Can you take a wild guess? Okay. It was something called the koyakatai. Koyakatai is a sweet dish. Okay, it is very famous for Vinayaka Chaturthi. Pullayar Chaturthi, they always make this koyakatai. It's a very sweet dish. It is something like the dumplings you get there. You know, in dumplings, it looks also like a dumpling. So, Shaker ate one koyakatai first. How was it? It is made of ghee, jaggery, and put some nuts inside, and it's got a white color covering outside. So Shaker loved eating it. Then the auntie looked at him and asked him, do you want one more? Shaker said, yes, I want one more. So auntie gave him one more. Then he ate that. And auntie looked at him, he looked at auntie. Then auntie asked him, do you want one more, Shaker? He said, yes auntie, I loved it, I want one more. So auntie gave him one more. So Shaker ate. It was so tasty. Then he looked at auntie again, hoping auntie will ask him, do you want one more? But auntie looked at him and said, that's enough, Shaker. You've had 3 koyakatais. That is enough for you for today. Here, drink your lemonade. So Shaker drank up his lemonade. Then he sat for a while and he told auntie, I'll head back home. My mama will be waiting for me. So auntie said, okay, be safe, go carefully. So Shaker started going back home. But before he left auntie's house, he asked auntie, what is this snack that you gave me, auntie? Auntie said, that is called koyakatai. Surely your mama will know what it is. So you go and ask her. She will make some for you. You liked it very much, no? Shaker said, yes, auntie, I loved it. So he says, okay, auntie. And he started walking. But he did not want to forget the name of koyakatai. Sometimes when you don't want to forget things, you keep on thinking about it, no? Like that, Shaker did not want to forget the name of koyakatai. So he went on saying koyakatai, 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 and he kept on walking. He went on saying koyakatai, 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 koyakatai. Then finally he came to a large puddle in the middle of the road. Now he did not know how to cross it. So he kept on standing there thinking, how can I cross this? And went on saying, koyakatai, 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 koyakatai. Just then one villager came from the opposite side. Then he kept watching the villager. The villager stood by the pond. He put out one leg and he said, Atteri mark, kathiri pinch, and he jumped over the pond. Then Shaker thought, wow, That's a nice way to jump across the pond. So he also went back, put one leg forward. He also nicely balanced himself. Then he said, Attiri maak kattiri pinju, and he jumped over the pond. But when he said Atri maak katri pinju, he forgot about Koyakata. So he went on saying Atri maak katri pinju, 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 and he reached home. Then after he went home, he kicked off his shoes, he took off his hat. Then he told his mama, Auntie made a very special dish for me. I want you to make it for me. So his mama said, did you like it so much? Shekhar said, yes, mama. Please make it for me, no? Mama said, okay, what is the dish's name? He said, Ma, it's called Atri maak katri pinju. So his mama said, what? I have never heard of this gibberish. You are talking gibberish, Shekhar. I don't know what you are talking about. So Shekhar said, no mama, it is called Atri maak katri pinju. I asked auntie twice what it is called and she told me Atri maak katri pinju. And I did not want to forget the name. So I kept on saying Atri maak katri pinju and coming home till I reached here. Ma, I want that, please make it for me. His mama said, no Shekhar, there is no dish like that. But Shekhar said, yes mama, there is. His mama said, no, there is no dish like that. You are talking gibberish. You have dreamt about it. Now go out and play with all your friends. So Shekhar went to play with all his friends. But he was very sad because his mama did not know what Atri maak katri pinju is. Then he went to the ground. He met all his friends. His friends asked him, why are you so sad, Shekhar? He said, a small argument with my mom, guys. A small argument with my mom. And he played cricket. Once the game was over, all his friends got together and they started talking. So two of his friends said, I want to get back home. I want to get back home. And one by one, they started going back home. Then Shekhar was left with his friend Arvind. So Arvind said, hey, it's getting late for me also, Shekhar. Come, we have to walk, no? We'll walk on the same direction. Then I'll go home because my mama is going to make koyakata for me for dinner. Then Shekhar said, what did you say? Arvind said, my mama is going to make koyakata for me. Do you want to come? Shekhar said, no, I'm running home. And he ran to his mama. And he told his mama, Mama, now I know the snack's name. His mama asked, what is it? He said, Mama, that's koyakata. So his mama said, you silly goose. You should have told me this first. You went on talking gibberish. Okay. Tomorrow morning I will make koyakata for you. So Shekhar was very happy and he went to sleep happily waiting for the next day's koyakata.